Just want to greet you happy birthday, and may you have more blessed birthdays to come. And I just want to wish you all the happiness in life, especially being with Papa. And from me, I would like to thank you for helping my family, my wife, and my kids. And although sometimes we have misunderstandings, giving our own opinions, but despite of that, we learn from these opinions and we change into something. So, by you and by the guidance of the Lord, alam ko pong magpapalakasan po tayo dahil sa inyo po namin nakilala ang Panginoon, and I'm asking po na palagi niyo po kami maintindihan sometimes na going weak or being weak, so very happy naman na nandito po kami sa kinatatayuan namin ngayon, kung ano man po meron kami ngayon, and it's because of your help and also with Papa. So I thank you, Ma, for being so caring and being so kind to us, and hopefully mabigay namin yung kasiyahan na karapat dapat para sa inyo bilang magulang. And we pray for the best, Ma, for our family. We love you so much, and we pray for you always. God bless. Love you, Ma. Happy birthday.